600 miles per hour. Or
Do you say S or X?
I said S,
Okay, so is this distance here S?
but no.
Okay, because if you say this is ds dt, it's shrinking this S, right? So you're making this S. Can I make that X? Thank you. Oh, by the way, it's shrinking my X, isn't it? Is it not?
It is.
So wouldn't that make it negative?
Yeah, it would.
All right, let's put a negative sign on there. What else you got for me?
I don't know.
All right, well, that's it then. I need hx. Give me an equation that involves hx and theta.
Hx.
Oh.
I don't know. I mean, I got all those equations in my brain yet.
Oh, this one you got.
I'm pretty confident it's not in there, man.
I'm confident it is. I'd actually lay some decent money on that.
All right. So
What do we call this side of a right triangle?
we got what?
What do you call this side of the right triangle?
Adjacent.
If this is my angle, that's not the adjacent.
Oh, so the opposite.
Opposite. What do we call this side?
That's the adjacent.
All right. Is there any equations you know that involve an angle and the opposite and the adjacent?
I don't. I know you're giving me all the clues, man, but I'm not Sherlock Holmes, so.
You don't have to be Sherlock Holmes. Opposite, adjacent. What could that possibly be related to? What do you know about the opposite and adjacent of a triangle?
Is that tangent?
Tangent. So tangent of theta is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, is it not?
It is.
Doesn't have theta in it. Opposite and adjacent doesn't have anything in it.
Yeah, it is.
Well, let's use it. Opposite is, now is opposite changing?
No.
No. So let's just go ahead and write that as a 5. It's not changing. Is the x changing?
Yes.
So I got to put an x down there, don't I?
Yeah.
All right, bring me home.
And then do you take the derivative of that?
Both sides, respect to time.
Okay, so 1 over cosine squared theta. No, that would be, I don't know, would it be d of x or?
What do we take the rest? What's the variable here?
Oh, d of theta over d of t.
dt.
And then do you put the x like you put negative x?
You're going to change 5x to the negative 1?
Yeah.
All right. That's my man. That's my old thinking. Let's do it.
Okay, so negative 5x to the negative 2 found. D of x, d of t.
dx dt.
Alright.
I'm going to put the x squared back on the bottom.
Okay.
What's dx dt? Whoops, I wrote it already.
Dt is 600.
Okay. So, what is cosine of pi over 6?
Root 3 over 2.
Negative, this should be positive 3,000, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Which is good, because I expected a positive number of this whole mess. How am I going to figure out what x squared is, though?
to
I'm taking it away from you simply because we're going to run out of time here, or we already ran out of time. What's tangent to pi over 6? We just discussed, or what's tangent to pi over 6?
yeah.
I'm going fast. I'm sorry. Is that okay? Because the bell technically is already rung, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this off for us. So I know what that is. I'm going to plug that in down here, and I just solve it. Okay?
Alright, sweet.
All right. That's how you do that one. Don't forget your trig. Sine, cosine, tangent. They love those, right? And you're supposed to know those. It's stone cold. What usually is happening there is you're actually forgetting to use them. Okay, in your homework tab it says, please do it, turn in 4-7 today. So do turn in 4-7 today because you will finish this problem off in the next, I don't know how long, by midnight. 4-8, it says do the whole thing. Don't do the whole thing. I'm going to delete that out of there. Okay? Do the first two problems, 20 and 21 tomorrow. Okay? Sometime tomorrow, when you need a break from heavy-duty history class, do a couple of those problems, do those two problems, at least set them up, get them started, try to figure out what you know, what you don't know, okay? And I will see you on Wednesday about the same time. Bye, guys. Sorry I used too much time. Bye, guys. Let's hear it. Bye. 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 Brianna saw us send me an email. Brandon sent me an email as well. Nice to see you, Mr. Kerrigan. Was the board visible to you? He's not there. Just kidding. Oh, B Sauce is still on there. B Sauce! Which one are you? Huh? Can't see which one you are. Is that Brianna? She didn't answer earlier.